Water contaminants, microorganisms. Microorganisms are the smallest of all living organisms and can only be seen clearly under a microscope. They include all kinds of bacteria, some of which are pathogenic. Microorganisms are found in all domestic water supplies. The quantity and types of microorganisms must be controlled before the water can be used in a pharmaceutical plant. If the contaminated water is used in a reaction process, the microorganisms could end up in the final API. This can have serious implications for the patient. Microorganisms must be removed or reduced to a specific safe level before water can be used in a process. Water treatment, carbon filtration. Another form of filtration, called activated carbon filtration, is used to remove organic material and residual disinfectant from water. Chlorine is the most commonly used water disinfectant. Residual levels of it are often present in water entering a plant. It is important to remove residual disinfectant because it can reduce the effectiveness of subsequent treatment techniques. One activated carbon filtration method involves passing the water through a column filled with activated charcoal. The organic material and the residual disinfectant are removed as the water passes through the column. The activated charcoal becomes saturated after prolonged use. The charcoal bed must be replaced or regenerated with a chemical treatment process on a regular basis for it to continue working effectively.